صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وسلم. MashaAllah, the month of Safar, the month of Ala Hazrat, a miracle of Ala Hazrat. My dear viewers of Madani Channel, it has been mentioned that Ala Hazrat, being a lover of the Haramain al-Sharifain, being a lover of the Sunnahs of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa ala alihi wasallam, upon hearing that the Hujjaj, the pilgrims, that they are returning, it has been stated that he rushes towards the harbor, my dear viewers. He rushes towards the place where the ships are coming to, where the boats are coming to, where the Hujjaj shall be coming to receive them, because they have come from the blessed lands. They have come from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Even if you could gain the al-barakah of seeing them, of smelling them, Allahu Akbar, they have just come from the sacred lands. It's said that he makes his way there along with some of his devotees, and upon arriving there, it's said that the arranged vehicle which they had prepared, that was late, that the vehicle was late. And then one of the devotees of Allah Hazrat, by the name of Ghulamun Nabi, MashaAllah, what a beautiful name, the servant of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It said that he quietly went away, and he quickly, having known that the vehicle is not here, having known this, he went and brought and ordered an individual who owned a cart, a horse-drawn cart, my dear viewers. He brought this, but as he was coming closer, he saw that the vehicle which was arranged has already arrived by now. So then he is unsure, what is he to do? It has been said that he gave a penny. Now a penny sounds like a very, very small amount, but it was not a small amount in them days, my dear viewers. That he gave, you could consider it to be possibly 10 pounds or more. He gave a penny to this man, and he asked him to return. And then he joined the rest of them. Later, my dear viewers, after some days, after 3-4 days, it said that Ghulam Nabi came into the presence, the grand court of Sayyidi Ala Hazrat, Imam Ahl Sunnah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And Imam Ahl Sunnah suddenly, randomly, he gives him a penny. So he takes his penny, he's thinking, why are you giving me this? Ala Hazrat Imam Ahl Sunnah, he replies, because a few days ago, you gave a penny to that man. Now nobody had seen him give the penny to the man. So he says, but you hadn't seen me do that. Ala Hazrat says, just keep the penny. And my dear viewers, it's said that when the people heard about this, they said to him, keep it as a holy relic. Keep the penny. Do not spend it. And he understood that as long as he had the penny with him, he never suffered from any financial loss whatsoever. Allahu Akbar. My dear viewers of Madani Channel, the barakah of a wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, we should take blessings from the relics of the pious saints. This is one example of Ala Hazrat Imam Ahl Sunnah, his miracles, my dear viewers of Madani Channel, his greatness. Allahu Akbar. Continue to send salawat upon Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Continue to watch Madani Channel. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa ala alihi wa sallam.